in the core area of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, on the fertile land of Dongguan, the World Factory. Since its establishment in 2016, Dongguan Shenghong Precision Hardware Components Co., Ltd., based on advanced technology, based on honest service, deeply cultivating the field of precision CNC machining, forging industry benchmark strength. Shenghong Precision is a specialized, innovative, modern enterprise that integrates research and development, design, manufacturing, assembly, sales, and service. The company has 6,000 square meters, standardized production workshop, nearly 100 professional technical and production team members. All core members have more than 20 years of industry experience, having obtained the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, winning the long-term trust of hundreds of companies with professionalism and rigor. If a worker wants to do a good job, he must first sharpen his tools. Shenghong Precision has invested heavily to introduce nearly 100 high-precision production equipment imported from countries and regions including Japan and Taiwan, China. Build a full-process high-precision manufacturing system, equipped with advanced measuring equipment such as Zeiss coordinate measuring machines. Achieve machining accuracy up to 0.005 mm. Measurement accuracy reaches 0.0016 mm. With high-precision product quality and flexible customization services. Shenghong Precision's products are widely used in core areas of high-end manufacturing, from the precision valve bodies of semiconductor equipment to the core structural components of medical devices, from fittings for liquid cooling fluids to automotive electronic vehicle parts, and involving transmission components of robots and automation. Our products are spread across various high-end manufacturing scenarios. Become a trusted partner of many well-known enterprises. Skill comes from specialization, profound and trustworthy. Customer first, quality foremost. This is the service tenet that Shenghong Precision has always adhered to. 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry. We provide professional technology, excellent equipment, thoughtful service, and rigorous quality. Strive to become an excellent supplier of precision hardware components in the industry. Customizing complex and high-precision hardware components here will no longer be an industry challenge. Shenghong Precision will do so in the most efficient and fastest way. Organize meetings, analyze product drawings and production processes. From production to packaging and shipping, we will complete it to the highest standards. In the future, Shenghong Precision will continue to uphold craftsmanship, innovate forward, and with higher precision products and better quality services, join hands with you to build a new future for high-end manufacturing.